Hi, mathematicians. Today we're going to play a game right here on the rug. We're going to play a game called Grab Bag Subtraction. Everybody say grab bag subtraction. Woo! Cool. So I'm going to actually have you play this game with me. So if you're playing this game, you're going to stay on the rug, and what you need is 7 Unifix cubes, and then you need a bag. I'm using this black bag. You'll probably have a brown paper bag, and then you should also have a recording sheet. And today we're going to play grab bag subtraction to work on your subtraction facts and to work on using small numbers. When we use small numbers, you need to become, as a first grader, you become very quick with small numbers. Then you also are great with big numbers, and that just makes you a really strong mathematician. So today our job is to make sure that we play grab bag subtraction and record. We're going to try to record 7 equations on our sheet. So make sure by the end of this you have all 7 equations recorded. You're going to do it all with me, and we're going to work together. Alright, so I have my bag and 7 Unifix cubes. I'm going to put my 7 Unifix cubes into the bag. You should do this also. Alright, so now what we're going to do together is both take out 5 Unifix cubes. Go ahead and take out 5 Unifix cubes. I have 5 Unifix cubes. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now I want to think, how many Unifix cubes do I have still in the bag? Do you know? Hopefully you just said 2. If you don't know, go ahead and just check real quick. Oh, yep, I have 2 left in the bag. So I had 7, I took out 5, and I have 2 left in the bag. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now I'm going to take my recording sheet, and you should as well, and record this equation. 7 minus 5 equals 2 is the same as 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2. If you haven't gotten yours down yet, go ahead and just pause me for a second. Hit the pause button so that we can continue on together, because we're about to do another one in subtraction grab bag. Great, I'm going to go on and do the next one. Again, just pause me if you're behind. So I'm going to put all 7 cubes back into the bag. I have all 7 cubes in the bag, shaking it up a little. Cool, and this time I'm going to pull out 4. 4. Here are 4 cubes. I'm setting my 4 cubes down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, and I want you to think with me. I hope you just took out 4 cubes. Make sure you've taken out 4 cubes. I want you to think with me, how many cubes are still in the bag? This is a hard fact. So there are 4 out, and there are 3 still in the bag. I had 7, I took away 4, and now there are 3 left in the bag. 7 take away 4 makes 3. I'm going to record that. You should also record it. 7 minus 4 equals 3. We're finding these parts of 7. We're turning them into subtraction equations. 7 minus 4 makes 3. Ready to grab bag again? Get ready. Remember, you can always pause me if you need another minute, but I'm going to keep going. Here we go. This time I'm going to grab, and I'm going to really try to get a lot of them. I'm going to, in fact, take all of them except for 1. So I've taken 6 cubes out. And I'm going to show you what this looks like, because I always line my cubes up in a way that's easier for me to see them fast. So I line them up quick like the domino. So now I've taken away, I had 7, I took out 6, and I know how many are left in the bag. I think I just heard you say 1. So there is 1 left in the bag. 7, watch how I go back to my recording sheet. I have my marker, you probably have a pen or pencil. 7 minus 6 equals 1. And this is my equation right here. 7 minus 6 equals 1. If you don't have that, make sure that you write it down. All right, let's keep grab bagging. When I say subtraction, you say grab bag. Subtraction, grab bag. Okay, here we go. So there are still 7 in the bag. I'm going to take out a small number this time. I'm going to take out just 2. Just 2. So remember there were 7, now there's 2 here. How many are still in the bag? I hope you just said 5. If you don't know, it's totally fine to get them out and check. Yep, let me show you. Here's the 2, and here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that were still in the bag. So I had 7, I took away 2, and now in the bag there are 5. Get ready to record this with me. 7, take away 2, or minus 2 is what mathematicians say. 7 minus 2 is the same as or equals 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. If you don't have that written down, get that written down. It's a really great equation. All right, mathematicians. Make sure your bag has 7 in it. Make sure your bag has 7 in it. We're going to do the next one. Trying to think of one I haven't done yet because I want to make sure we get all of those combinations to 7. I want to make sure we subtract all different ways to make 7. The more ways we know to make 7, the stronger mathematicians we are. Okay, there are 7 in the bag. Make sure you have 7 in your bag. This time we're just going to take out 1. So if I only have 1, how many are still in the bag? Yep, I heard you just say 6. Hopefully you said 6. And so now we know that we had 7, we took away 1, and there are 6 left in the bag. And now I'm recording. 7, take away 1 equals 6. 7 take away 1 equals 6, and I recorded it right here on my recording sheet. So right now we should have five different equations on our recording sheet. I'm sure that's what you have. If you don't, make sure you pause me so you can catch up. All right. I love the number 7. People say 7 is a very lucky number, and I agree with them. All right, here we go. 7, and this time I'm going to take out 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left in the bag? 7, take away 3 makes 4. There are 4 left in the bag. Hopefully you got that, mathematician. And now we're going to record it. 7, take away 3 is the same as 4. 7 take away 3 is the same as 4. Or you might say 7 minus 3 equals 4. Hopefully you wrote that down right there. Great. All right, we're just going to do one more. I'm going to see if I can throw you off with this really challenging one. But I know you like a challenge on your math adventure. So let's try one last one. Here we go. Oh, look at what I have in my hand. You can't see yet. Let me show you. So I had 7. I took away 7. How many did I have left? Had 7, took away 7. There is, in fact, 0 left. There is, in fact, 0 left. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. 7, take away 7 makes 0. Hopefully yours looks just like mine, mathematicians. It's been real doing some grab bag subtraction with you. You are more than welcome to move on to your next station. Please continue on in the adventure of math. Thanks, guys.